some exciting news today. We are currently packing up the car to head up to Spokane to go see HARD Motorsport. I got Tanner here with me. Jonathan's on his way. Sorry about the light outside. It's currently 5 in the morning, not even 5 yet. We woke up pretty early. So we're gonna be heading up there here in a little bit. Go park, actually go park behind the red X3. Okay. It is currently 5:08 and Jonathan just finally showed up. Almost a half hour late, that's okay. Looks like we'll be grabbing McDonald's and leaving. Going through the drive-thru instead of getting to sit down and eat. It's not very good lighting, we apologize. But there's Jonathan there, he's awake.
Yeah, I'm awake.
Well, yeah, or
I had a late start, but
a little bit of a late start. Well, he looks like he's awake, kind of. A little bit. Okay, and we're away.
Are these gonna go fit in the cup holders?
Yes.
Is there a cup holder in the back?
No.
There's no cup holder.
Nope.
And then if you want to move that stuff over, this armrest will come down.
There's yours. Yeah.
I told them no cheese. I was able to take the cheese off, so good. Still have roughly 2 hours, 2.5 hours till we get into Spokane.
We've done just exactly, I just saw it roll over to 290 miles, so we've got about another 240 miles to go.
Yeah.
So we're over halfway there. The border between Idaho and Washington, I believe that's around the same time the time zone changes. So we'll actually lose, or no, we'll actually gain an hour. It'll be 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll change the time to 10.
Does that automatically change?
No.
Hey, there's some cows. A valley of cows.
That's what we came all the way up here to see, was cows.
Cows.
I think it was 3710, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
In half a mile, the destination is on your left.
Half a mile, guys.
3710 East Trent Avenue.
And
Hey, I see it.
what?
HARD Motorsports. That is your spoiler. And
It is.
spoiler mouth.
Okay, here we are.
So everything that's kind of miscellaneous crap from here can go out. This is our E36 section. So new for the E36 is the carbon fiber dash panel.
That one's discounted?
It's discounted. Yeah, race pedals.
Because ours is broken.
What happened to yours?
OBD1. OBD2. No, it's OBD2.
What? What is that?
And then I feel like we're at a fireworks stand. Now, do you have the E36 door, the rear window? Did you want to do something like that today? You guys, the two big main things we need is a firewall. Shit. Firewalls are, I don't know if Rory's got to those, or a sunroof block off.
No sunroof block off. Yeah, take the skin right off of the cassette and just mount it back up there with the race cars got it.
Oh, that's not on.
Quiet now.
A big sheet of plastic like that's 4x8. Set it in here and turn the giant pizza oven on. And so this will
Demonstration pad.
we're not gonna actually form anything. I'm not turning it. It's too hot in here.
Yeah.
You set the plastic in here and close it. Then we send that whole sheet in. So there's a whole bunch of heating elements in there, and they're all individually controlled, so we can change the temperature wherever it needs to be. So then it heats up and gets the plastic nice and soft. And hit stop. And all these molds here, they're on here. Boom into it, hit it again, and that's vacuum. So they're going to pull plastic over this whole thing. And then we hit it again, turn fans on, cool it down. And
It's not gonna drop because there's no vacuum.
like that. Open it up. Pull the giant sheet off. Then we take it, put it back on that machine, and it'll cut out all the shape out of the big sheet of plastic.
This is Jordan Shaw. He is the lead on the 6 Overcrest project they've been working on for a while, and he's going to go over this Subaru project they're working on and some of the other items they're going to be selling.
Yeah, so we got our GD chassis that we just built a over fender kit for. We got this prepped and ready for a show called Big Northwest. It was pretty quick, but as you can see here, we have some nutserts in here and some bolts to nutsert it on. We also built the polycarbonate rear windows with the carbon fiber support trim. We built a front splitter for it, so we have full mounting brackets and soon to be carbon fiber splitter. We just got into the carbon fiber, so we'll be doing that soon. We have our wing uprights that we made for the big airfoils that look really good. Fits the profile of the trunk really nice. They actually come apart down here at the pins, and you can actually still utilize your trunk, which is really cool. Still bolted to the chassis. And then inside, we got a CAE shifter mounted in there. And the customer wanted just the black with the red knob. I think really fits nice in there. And yeah, that's kind of what we have going on with this chassis right now. We have a couple over fender kits for the GC chassis, which is not here. We'll have that here, but yeah.
So everything that he talked about, including his website and the Instagram links, will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out. So we're just finishing up the day with HARD Motorsport. Spent way more time than we thought we were going to today. They've been more than generous. We've had a blast, and we're going to be around for more parts and definitely making another trip.
Awesome. Yeah, absolutely. That was great. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, it was awesome. Thanks.
Yeah. Bye.
So we're the next day. We didn't unload everything last night because we were super tired when we came back to Idaho Falls. We made that trip up there and back in a single day. So when we came back, it was just after 1:30 in the morning. So we're gonna be unloading everything that we got from HARD Motorsport and going over some of it. And then we're gonna be putting them on the car in future videos. So this is everything that we were able to bring home yesterday, mostly for space in the coupe. It was pretty hard to get everything in there. I had to shove somebody in the back and lay the seats down, but everything fit. We do have one more shipment coming They had some parts there that we're waiting on, so that'll be coming in a later package.
Once again, we would like to give a huge shout out to HARD Motorsport and their hospitality while we were up there yesterday.
I really wish I could have made the trip up there with all these guys. It seems like it was a really fun trip, and I wish that I would have been able to get up there and actually see the whole HARD Motorsport team. Hopefully we're planning to make another trip up there soon so that all of us get to meet them and see what HARD Motorsport really is.